Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe teeth whitening at home in 3 minutes. Whiten yellow teeth and turn teeth to pearl white naturally with very simple ingredients at home. We can prepare super effective remedy. The first ingredient we need is around 3 cloves of garlic, and we need to grate the garlic or shred it like so. And now place the grated garlic into a clean mixing bowl. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of table salt, just regular table salt, and mix well the ingredients. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of natural milk, and last but not least add a pinch of baking soda and mix well the ingredients. You can store this remedy for up to 3 days, and to apply it, get a little piece of this and brush your teeth with this recipe in order to get rid of any kind of yellowing of teeth and whitening the teeth naturally at home. And my friends, you can use it for up to 3 days. You can store it in the fridge and use it for up to 3 days, and it's super effective. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.